What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from saferwholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video on the club car Precedent. Now this one here, it's a 2013. We went ahead and refurbed it, and it has the basic light kit on it. You've got your nice SS 10-inch rim along with your turf tire. Now this one here, again, does have your more basic seat on the front, and then the back you also have your flip seat. Now this will flip over. Does come with the charger. It has the regular steering wheel on it, and yes, this one is going to include the windshield. So this one right here, we can ship nationwide right to your front door, and it's in a nice pewter silver grayish color. And again, this one can be shipped and delivered nationwide. Call us today, 866-606-3991. And again, you've got your lights in the back. And we can upgrade this to the street legal light package if needed for a few $100s more. So give us a call right now. Again, toll-free number here, 866-606-3991. Again, the 48-volt electric club car Precedent. Take it for a ride. Simply gas and go. It's got excellent brakes. And lots of speed. Once again, call us right now, toll free, 866-606-3991, saferwholesale.com.